Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. If you are new here, welcome. I am so glad that you tuned in to today's video and I hope you stick around to the end. We're going to be starting off with these beautiful boxes from Dollar Tree. You can see they have many to choose from, different designs, looks, and colors. Here is my silly daughter, just to throw that in there. We're going to start off with these boxes. They are super pretty and I just love the aesthetic look of them. And I was thinking that I wanted to use one as a tissue box for the bathroom, or maybe your guest bathroom, guest bedroom, wherever you would like to place this box. But I'm going to take a box of tissues from Dollar Tree. If you can find the smaller ones, it would be better for this box because this box is smaller than the tissue itself. So I'm just going to simply cut it. It's completely fine with me because I'm not going to waste anything anyway. I'll just use whatever I cut off for a different box, or for a little container or something like that, so it's not going to go to waste. So I put those in there. You can see they fit really nicely and it's just super nice, and it just makes the aesthetic that you are going for look 10 times better than the paper box that the tissue comes in. And I just love it. It's super cute and I think it would look nice anywhere in your home. I did pick up another one of those boxes. Here it is right here, and just for comparison you can see how they look in difference, and even the side is a little bit different, and I love them both. For this one, I'm thinking that we can place down some more private items in your bathroom or wherever you would like to place it for your guest. But I was thinking if you have a guest bathroom that you like to keep nice and have stuff in there, then you can make a nice little kit for when your guest comes over. They can have everything they need inside of this little box, which is super cute and really thoughtful as well. And I love how it looks once again, and you can simply close it so you can hide what's inside of there, and it looks really beautiful. You guys, if you don't know, you can chat with me live during all of my videos. I always premiere my videos, which means that you can watch with me live as it's going up on YouTube, and you can chat with me as well. You can see below here one of my previous videos. It has the live chat replay, but whenever it is going live, you will have the live chat right at the bottom, and you can open it up and chat with me live. I just wanted to show you guys in case you didn't know how to reach it, or you didn't know at all. But don't be shy to come on over and chat with me, because I love to chat with you guys while we are watching the video together. Moving along, I am in Dollar Tree's organization section where they have all of their bins that you can organize. I have noticed that they've been bringing out these new colors, this nice bright red, this grayish, and this really light green that I am obsessed with. If you know, green is my favorite color, but this beautiful light green is just really nice and I love it. You can see they have different little candle holders here. They have really nice ones out right now, like these ones at the top are new as well with the yellow, pink, and orange colors. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab these below in this light green because I really love these so much. And then I also picked up two of the bins that were in that basket section, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make a little coffee bar or section that you can have in your kitchen. If you don't have a specific space for your coffee and your stuff that you want, or even your teas or anything like that, you can make a nice little section for it just using some of Dollar Tree's organizers and candle holders. You can see how pretty it looks together, and I really love it. I have my sugar and coffee in these containers already, and these containers are from Dollar Tree. They are really beautiful with the bamboo lid. I'm gonna take the syrups and place them inside of the candle holder just to give it that nice pretty look, and you can see they fit in there perfectly. And then to top it off, to make it more easier, you can place a mug right in the middle, and voila, you have a nice beautiful section for your coffee in the morning or your tea, whatever you prefer. But I really love how this looks. It looks super aesthetic and super beautiful, and I just love it. You'll have to let me know what you think. Another way you can use those organizers and the candle holders is in your bathroom, because I love the color for the bathroom as well. You can just place the basket down there on your counter, place the candle holder inside to hold your toothpaste or your toothbrushes. But being that my toothbrushes are on the little stand, then I can put my toothpaste inside of there and then use the bin space for my wrist guards. These are for when you are washing your face in the sink, over the sink. It doesn't run down your arm and make a complete mess. So those are really nice to have in case you were wondering. But you can see how pretty it looks in the bathroom. Remember, I do have two of those longer organizers, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace this one here with the gems, because I am a little tired of this one, so I want to just, you know, refresh it a bit. So I'm going to take everything out, and then I'm going to place that green bin right on top of this little stand after I wipe everything down, of course. And then I'm going to place everything right back inside. And I love how this looks. You can see like it's really spacious too, because everything fits in here. I thought the frame wasn't going to fit, so I was a little bit scared, but it did fit perfectly, and I love it. It looks super pretty, and the green ties in with the frame, the background of the frame that's in there, and it's really pretty. So it does tie in with the other one that's on the sink as well, and I love it. You'll have to let me know what you think, my friends, but these new organizers from Dollar Tree are a must, and you will have to go check them out now to see if you can find them for your home. You can pick them up in any color of your liking, and I love it. So let me know what you think of today's little organizing ideas, and if you've enjoyed today's video, do give this video a big thumbs up, my friend, because it really does help out my channel and to help us reach new viewers and grow our YouTube family. So thank you so much, and if you made it this far, it's time for our secret word for today. It's going to be sage, just for that beautiful sage color that we've been using with the organizer here and the little candle jar. So comment that down below, and I will know that you made it this far into my video, which is highly appreciated as always, my friend. And I will see you all on the next one. Take care and God bless.